Hi everyone, welcome back to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft. Today I'm going to show you how to properly end around in crochet and fasten off your yarn. These are two really simple but essential skills for finishing off your projects neatly. Now for ending around, when you're working in the round, you'll eventually come to your last stitch. Now to close the round, you want to insert the hook into the first stitch you made in that round, yarn over and pull through both of these sections. Now that slip stitch, just give it a small tug and that will join the rounds neatly so it looks pretty seamless. Now let's just show you that once more. So that is the last stitch in the round. Now we hook it to the first stitch in the round, and I tend to just pull through both the slip stitch and just make it a little snug. Now some patterns will tell you to keep working continuously in a spiral, so in which case you would continue your stitches into that, and just make sure to mark it with a stitch marker, but always check the instructions. Now once you finish your last row, you'll need to fasten off. Now it's just simple, yarn over, pull through, and it's literally a case of cutting your towel and literally pulling all this all the way through. I'm not cutting my towel because I'm actually using this yarn for something at the moment, and then you just give it a tug and you'll end up with a nice tail that you can then weave in your end, and there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet basic tutorials and fun projects. Thanks for watching and happy hooking.